So now in this video I'm going to show you guys L size Jaipuri collections. Okay, so just remember, if you guys wear Avasa M size, go for L size of these one. Okay, because these are all little one size smaller than Avasa. Okay, very beautiful collections have come, guys. Please watch the video till the end. Very beautiful collections have come. All boutique style collections have come this time. Okay, so we will start. See, this is very beautiful cotton material with both side strings. Okay, and 3/4 sleeves. Price for this is 750. Very nice flared. Okay, I'll show you one set. Very beautiful set. Color, everything is very beautiful. And don't go by the size which I am showing it to you. I have got L size in this. I am just showing you guys any open piece. Okay, see, this is a full set. Very beautiful color, textured fabric, you can see. Very beautiful. Price is just 800. You can see the sleeves also has got button pattern like this, and the combination color here. 800 only. Okay, this is a simple straight cut kurti with embroidery work. Price is 400 only. Okay, this is also very beautiful. The collections which have come this time, very simple, sober. Check this. Because my customers buy Avasa, so they are used to very nice fabric of Avasa. So this is the best thing what we have got right now, and everything directly coming from manufacturers to us right now. Okay, see, this is very beautiful embroidery work here. Gotapati work on sleeves, and also down full, both sides strings are there. Okay, very beautiful collection. 550 only. Nice rayon material. Don't worry about the fabrics of these now. Okay, this one is also nice heavy embroidery work here and also on sleeves. Simple umbrella top. Price is just 550. Okay, this is one straight cut kurti. Very nice soft fabric, guys. You can see the fabric feel here. I'll show you. Very nice soft fabric. I think you don't even have to iron this. Without ironing also you can wear this. It's so nice. Okay, see the fabric. This is nice embroidery work here and also on sleeves. Very beautiful work. Here you have got strings. Price is just 550 for this beautiful top. Only 550. Okay, this one is with inner. Okay, inner has got little work. You can see this is little work on the inner, and this is the jacket. Okay, last time also I have sold so many pieces of these. See, this is a jacket. Full set price is just 650. Okay, this is full chicken curry. Means the top, from top till bottom, what you're seeing is full work. Nothing is print, and very nice soft rayon material. Price is 600. 600 only because of this nice work. Full, it is all very minor work. Okay, and this is one very beautiful top. I am wearing one in the size. You can see. Best. What I can say is the best pattern. Okay, see. Very nice embroidery work here. And sleeves has Gotapati work. Down also very beautiful Gotapati work. Price for this top is just 800. Only 800, guys. Very beautiful top. Okay. This one also. It's like Georgette material with inner. Okay. Full work. Price is 900. Sleeves is bell sleeves. Okay. Price is 900. Full work here. And this is inner. Lining. Price is 900. Okay. Very beautiful. This also you can see. Very nice soft rayon material fabric. And this is full Gotapati work down. Okay. Here also you have got light work. Mirror work is there. Even here you have Gotapati work. Sleeves also has got Gotapati work. Color is also very bright and nice. Price is 750. 750, and the soft fabric is very nice and soft. 750. Okay. This also very beautiful. You can see Chinese collar, and you have got 3/4 sleeves, and here you have got full button design. Price for this one is 500 only. Okay, very beautiful. 500. Okay, nice rayon fabric. One more black color I'll show you. See, this is black color. Fabric of this is very, very nice, guys. Okay, here you have got nice button designs, and price for this is just 550. Only 550. Very beautiful black color combination. Okay, this is a simple straight cut kurti, but you can see the design, fabric, everything. It's superb. See, this is nice gotapati work here. You have got like this bells here. Sleeves is also got work. Okay, price for this one is 550. Okay, this one is also cotton material. Okay, this is very nice gotapati work, and here you have got very heavy embroidery work. Sleeves also gotapati work, both sides strings. Price is just 550. Only 550, guys. Very beautiful. I think till now whatever collections I have shown you guys, uh, out of all that, uh, the collections today which I'm showing you, new collections, are the best. Okay, this one also light embroidery work here. Okay, and very beautiful color combination. Price is just 500. Only 500. Okay, this is heavy embroidery work here, and you will also down also you have got embroidery work, rayon material. This is full print. This is nice embroidery work. Sleeves has got also embroidery. Price is 650. Okay, this is simple straight cut, but nice embroidery on the neck part. You can see nice heavy embroidery, mirror work here. All nice work is there. Even on the sleeves it is there. Price is just 500. Okay, this one is also very beautiful. You can see the texture of the cloth is so beautiful, and this is all nice minute work here. Okay, and this is gotapati work. Price for this is 550. Okay, very, very beautiful. This also cotton material, nice embroidery work here, and also on sleeves you have gotapati work. Down also gotapati work, adjustable strings. 550 only. Okay, this is also very beautiful. You can see. You can see this is cotton material. Very nice white and light blue color combination. This is all gotapati work here and down. Both side strings are there. Heavy embroidery work here, and sleeves has also got gotapati work. Price is 700 only. Okay, this I've got, I think only one last piece is left of this one. Okay, nice cotton material with lining inside. Okay, and price for this one is 750. Okay, I don't have to explain anything. This shows everything here. See, 750 only. This also georgette kind of a fabric, and this has got butterfly sleeves. Okay, and with lining inside. Okay, you can see there are two layers of lining. One is net and one more lining. Okay, belt is there. Price is 725 only. 725. Okay, this you can check out. Very nice flared. The flare is very beautiful, and light work here. Very light work. Sleeves has got gotapati work. Rest it's rayon material. Beautiful kurti, and the price is 650. 650. Okay, this is again very nice tomato red color, and very beautiful embroidery work here, and also on sleeves gotapati work. Down also adjustable strings. Price is just 550. Okay, this one is also very heavy, nice material. Price is 650. Nice gotapati work here, both side strings. Okay, 650. Rayon material with full work. Okay, price is 550 only. Here you have got adjustable strings. 550 only. Okay, this is also very beautiful with inner with lining. Okay, you can see soft cotton it is with lining inside. Okay, and here it is all nice work. Sleeves is bell sleeves. Okay, price for this one is 700. You have colors in this? 700 only. Okay, this is one skirt and kurti set. Very beautiful. Cloth is very, very nice of these. Okay, you can see this is strings here, and the skirt has got very nice color combination. You can see nice flared skirt. This is down is design of the top. Okay, full set price is 700 only. Only 700. Okay, this is one very beautiful set. Straight cut kurti, cotton, lightweight cotton material. Straight cut kurti and very beautiful lace work. And this is pant and dupatta. Okay, full set price is just 850. This is also a very beautiful set. Umbrella top set. I've shown this last time. I think only one piece is left now. You can see very nice flared and full gotapati work, very heavy embroidery work. Sleeves has also got this pant lining at the bottom. See this one. This is very nice cotton dupatta. Okay, price for the full set is just 950. Okay, this is also very beautiful. You can see rayon material, nice flared. Here you have got very soft fabric here. Okay, and price is just 670. This is both side adjustable strings, you can see, and netted sleeves down here. The down whatever design you have got, same you have got here. Okay, price for this one is just 670. I've got another color in this pink color. You can see very nice colors, pista green and pink color. Here you have got nice pearl work. Okay, 670 only. Okay, and this is also very beautiful. I think I'm making a long video for Jaipuri because I have to explain these nicely. Okay, this is also very nice work here, rayon material, full work kurti, umbrella top. Here also you've got full mirror work. Okay, sleeves is also got full nice work. Price is 800. Chinese collar with full work. One more color in this. Okay, 800 only. Okay, whatever you want to book, guys, please take a screenshot and send it to the booking number fast, because as soon as I upload a video, I don't even have to post it anywhere. All our subscribers purchase these. Okay, so if you like my channel, collections, everything, subscribe to this channel also. This one also very beautiful. This is netted work here. Okay, even on sleeves. You can see bell sleeves, very beautiful. Price is just 650, rayon material. 3 colors in this. I'll show it one by one. One more. You can see this is also very beautiful. And this one is again. Okay, 650 only. Very nice fabric of this also. Thank you, guys.